Hey guys, welcome to another property showcase by propertycozy.com. Located in the exclusive, soon-to-be gated area of Plymouth Avenue, sits this tri-level architectural masterpiece offering 7,000 square feet of functionality on 24,034 square feet of land with old-world charm. Enter from your porte cochère into your entrance foyer. Multiple formal sitting areas, formal dining, music room, family room, breakfast area, chef's kitchen with oversized island and built-in appliances. You will also enjoy a guest bedroom with ensuite bathroom on this level. This home features large windows, offering lots of lights and cross ventilation throughout. Upper level features sitting area, sunroom, primary suite with coffee station, loft area, his and hers bathroom sinks, cabinetry and water closets, large jetted tub, walk-in shower and walk-in closets. Enjoy your private patio overlooking lush greenery. There are two other bedrooms with ensuite bathrooms, shared patio with great views of the city. The lower level offers countless options for work or play, double enclosed carport, patios, garden areas, service entrance, staff quarters, and space for pool. This house was also recently reduced in price, giving you an opportunity to be a part of a luxurious high-demand community. Don't make this great opportunity pass. Guys, let's take a look at this house and please watch the entire video for more details at the end. The asking price for this house is US $2,250,000 or Jamaican $346.2 million. To purchase or make an offer, please take a look at your screen, or you may visit the description area below for full details. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching, guys.